We got a ton of pumpkins and goodie bags, and we decorated the kids' garden outside as a haunted house. Well, with the mad scientist outside, they learned about different types of skulls and their teeth, and we had different special effects like a fog machine, and they learned how that works, and we did crafts with them. They learned how to carve a pumpkin. They were sharing, and it was really good.
Our kids are having a good time, and they get to carve their pumpkins, and they're doing some coloring. So it's just something fun to do and see other people here in their costume.
And I think also the idea of bringing in, you bring in the children for the Halloween, but you just realize just how much the Gardens has to offer.
And he really likes it. I think more people should take kids to places like this instead of carnivals and things like that.
It's been a really fun experience being in Discovery Garden. I haven't seen anything like that before.
What do you think? Did you have fun?
Yeah.